Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a contractor license in Tennessee. So the first step is of course choose your business structure. Doing it will help you run your business smoothly for you to be able to provide the best for your company's needs. So the next step is of course you must meet the basic requirements. That includes be at least 18 years of age, be a US citizen or legally reside the country, or have no convictions of a disqualifying offense. The next step is, of course, you have to pass a licensing exam. So, for you to be able to obtain certain specific license classifications, you might also need to take and pass an additional trade exam specific to your license category. So in this example, it's for the building construction classification. So if you're trying to take this license, you have to take one of these trade exams to get that classification. The next step is you have to prepare a financial statement. It can be prepared for your company by a licensed certified public accountant. This is important as this will also determine your license's monetary limit. Now, in this step, you can start submitting an application and you can do it online or by mail, and there will be $250 fee. To do it online, you can follow the online licensing services of DCI, and you can also do it by mail, but this might take longer. But it is important or recommended that you must do your application by the 20th of the month. And once you got your license, make sure that you keep it valid. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!